road I do tonight. So let's go. Alright, so right now, my friend is super drunk and I want to go to the party and today I look man, or man I look hard. Party time, let's go. But yeah, we're out here in the streets and we're going to hit up the reggae party now and then this one after that.
What we're going to do is hit up the reggae party.
She kind of Jamaican, she's not really Jamaican. You have to excuse her, try to talk patois. I was hit up the nervous, so I'm going to come in and then, alright, look, come
We're
on.
going to buy some cheap drinks.
Right, that's perfectly right. That's what we do. Look more. Bye.
Arigato!
China, eh? Hold on. 本当にいつもなヒールかけるね。いつも会ってる時はヒールある。
そう今日スニーカー I forgot here 恥ずかしい
The Giants. I'm a general. Champagne and pop, you know. Watch out, man. Champagne and pop, you know. Up there, pop champagne. Up there, up there. Hello. Come and tell me this, Oh, look at that. Woo, sexy.